In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Control plus Enter key in Excel. So I have a data set here and some of the data doesn't have the data. So in this area code, in this column, there are some cells do not have the data. For example, Southeast, it does not have the area code, and East Midlands, it does not have the area code, like that. So the scenario is to select the blank cells in the given data. Then I want to enter the area code is not yet identified, or area code is not yet defined. So to select the blank cells, there are several ways that you can select. You can hold down the control key. First click on the first empty cell, then hold down the control key, then select the second one, third one, and so on. This is a one method by using the control key. If you don't want to use the control key, then you can use a shift F8. So click on the first empty cell, then press shift F8. Now on the bottom left corner you can see add or remove selection option. Now you can select the data. This would be fine for a small set of data. If we have a large set of data, then you might need to use the find and select option. So I'm going to select the data. So there is no data in the behind. So up to here. Then let me zoom in. Now go to find and select on the top right corner in the home tab. Then choose go to special. Then the go to special dialog box will appear. Then choose the radio button called blanks. Click OK. Now you see the all blanks have been selected. So I want to enter a data. Area code is not yet defined, something like that. Okay. Now please do not press enter key here. Here the magic key is press Control Enter, then it will fill the data automatically on the selected cells. So click on any other area, then expand the column B. Now you can see area code is not yet defined, area code is not yet defined, area code is not yet defined. Then this is filled with this. Now the second scenario is if I have a large data set. Let's say for example I have 80 plus records here. Now I want to change nation equal to kingdom. So there are several ways to achieve this. You can use a find and replace, but in this example we are going to use a filter using the control plus enter. So first filter the data. So go to the first cell, then click on data, then click on filter. So you get this filter drop down options. So in area type I want to change, first to select nation, and wherever you see the nation I want to change this value to kingdom. So now if you look at this, the nation is there in the row number 2, row number 4, row number 7. So randomly the data is in the different cells, but not in the sequence order in the row. So first click on the first cell, hold down the Control Shift downward arrow key. Control Shift downward arrow key. It selected all the entries that shows as nation in the filter. Now I want to change to kingdom. Start typing kingdom, KINGDOM. Now please do not press enter, press Control Enter. This is a magic key. Now if I go back to area type, then clear the filter. Now look for nation, and there is no nation in here. Okay. Now the second example that we want to do is change region equal to district. Same thing. Now click on the first cell. Now press the hold down the Control, Shift and downward arrow key, then start typing district and then press Control Enter. So now area type is changed to district. So you can't see the region anymore. Now clear the filter, filter again. Now there is no this thing, what do you call region. Now I want to change local tier authority because there may be space here, that's why it's showing as 2 times, and I want to change all this local tier authority to for example local authority dash lower level, then press Control Enter. So the data is replaced in the all the cells. And you want to do the same thing for upper tier. So click on the first cell, use the arrow keys, then make sure that you are on the first cell, then hold down the Control, Shift and downward arrow key, then start typing local authority dash, this is a upper level. Now if you have mistakenly pressed the enter key, now let me press enter key, what happened? It is changed only in the first cell, is not changed in the rest of the cells. So you can do in the another method also. So Control C for copy, then hold down the Shift key, then use the downward arrow key to select the rest of the cells, then press Control V and then click on somewhere else, then or escape. Now go to the data, filter, clear the filter. So if you look at the data filters now, you got only district, kingdom, local authority lower level, local authority upper level. I would like to thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Happy learning.